Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by backing up and ensuring the battery is above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. Next, remove any cases or screen protectors and gently clean the Home button. Dirt blocks reliable scans. Once done, open Settings, go to Touch ID and Passcode, Authenticate, and delete your saved fingerprints. This clears corrupted data. Make sure to turn off any moisture on the sensor before proceeding to re-enroll, so you start with a clean contact surface. Now you re-enroll fingerprints systematically. Tap Add a fingerprint and place the finger on the sensor repeatedly while slightly rotating and altering pressure. This teaches the sensor multiple contact points. Include both your dominant index and at least one other finger, and record 3 to 5 partial scans per finger for redundancy. Make sure your finger is dry and wait a second between placements so the sensor processes each capture. If a scan fails, lift and reposition to capture a different area rather than repeating the same spot. Finish by toggling on iPhone unlock and any Apple Pay options you want to use with Touch ID. This links the sensor to system services. Restart your iPhone and test unlocking 5 times with each registered finger, adjusting how you place your finger if needed. If problems persist after cleaning, re-enrolling, and restarting, perform a restore from backup to rule out software issues. If that fails, seek Apple service. Hardware faults in the Home button or cable often require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.